Did you crawl up there again? Do you like it up there? You're so tricky. And you're all fluffy because you had a bath. What do you think, Kaniki? Since you're saying spooky now, I think we should show everyone our Halloween decorations on YouTube. What do you think? So they can get spooky too. Yeah. We have lots of Halloween decorations. Yeah. What? We have lots of them. Yeah. We have a spider. A Frankenstein. We have a skeleton. Ooh. Purple lights. And yeah, a fog machine. And a tombstone set for graveyard. Oh, it is spooky. Mm-hmm. It's so spooky. I think we will. Once we decorate for Halloween, we'll show everyone. Yeah. And I think they're going to like it.
Where do you work at?
Where do you work at? That's funny.
Okie
Yeah. You sure like being up there, don't ya?
Spooky.
It is spooky.
Okie
Yeah. Yep. So that's a promise, huh? That's what we'll do. We'll put up a video with all our Halloween decorations up.
Spooky. Where are you? What's wrong?
What in the world? I love it when you say that. Are you stuck on spooky now? You just learned that today. What is it?
Spooky.
What? Tell me. Give Mom a kiss, yes. Goodness.
Spooky.
Look at those eyes pin. You must really like to say that word.
What?
You must really like to say that word. Hey. I'll get you.